Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to redeem a Spotify Premium code. First, open your web browser on your device. This can be on your phone, tablet, or computer. In the search bar, type Spotify Sign In and press Enter. You will see the official Spotify Sign In page in the search results. Click on that link and wait for the page to load. Now you need to sign in to your Spotify account. Use the email and password that you used to create your Spotify account. It is important to sign in because the redeem feature may not appear in the app itself. You need to be on the web version for this. After you are signed in, look at the top right corner of the screen. Here you will see an icon or your profile picture. Tap or click on this area. A menu will open showing your account options. Once you are in Settings, scroll until you see a section called Payments. Under the Payments section, you will find an option that says Redeem. Tap on Redeem to open the Redeem Code page. On the Redeem page, you will see a field where you can type or paste your Spotify Premium code. Carefully enter the code exactly as it appears. After you have entered the code, tap the Confirm button to apply it to your account. The system will process your code and add the premium time to your Spotify account. Thanks for watching.